Hello, Sue Kraus, owner of Moosa Creek Nursery. On a lovely sunny day out at the nursery, we've had a great week here. Warm weather, some sunshine, and the plants have been putting on a lot of growth. I hope you're staying safe at home and being able to get out in your gardens and see some of that plant growth in your own homes too. We're expecting rain next week, and so it's a perfect time to plant. And here's an idea we have for you to make your gardening simple and attract pollinators to your garden, both for pollinator and wildlife health, for the fun in the garden as you see all the pollinators flying around, and to help pollinate those vegetables that you may have been planting and hoping to grow. This is what we call our Pollinator Paradise Pack. It's 32 2-inch plants, a selection of plants chosen specifically to allow you to produce a perfect pollinator garden. We have in here host plants that will host the larvae that will turn into butterflies and pollinators. We have nectar plants that will feed them once they've become mature, and even plants that will do all of that, including providing shelter and a windbreak. All of these are important things when you're planting a pollinator garden. So let's have a quick look at what we've chosen here. This is deerweed, chosen because it hosts so many of the native pollinators and butterflies and moths. I have California milkweed here. Predominantly it's seen in Southern California, ideal for our hot, dry temperatures. Also the narrow-leaf milkweed. These are important to the monarch butterflies. Our regular common buckwheat is a host to many butterflies and moths and pollinators, so that's always important to have. Our California fuchsia flowers late in the summer when not much else is providing nectar for our pollinators. Of course, sages are important as host and feeding plants. This unusual plant is an important host. This is the sickle pod rock cress. Try saying that fast a few times. You can see the seed pods look like a sickle, also called elegant rock cress. That's much better, I think. And then finally some taller shrubs to provide that shelter, the Howard McMinn manzanita and the skylark ceanothus. This is available for order online, special order online delivery to your nearest retail garden center. Go to moosacreeknursery.com. We hope you enjoy it. Make sure you've got habitat.